Abarai ao nigo bagendrete kogokere gitambukiro cy'umurai bwensi cy'ugusira cyamate cy'abasabe kagoligia Gen Z abo basakira chinga kicho korobekana okugwa korekanete omwakolia obwa asoyo bwangoiga abero muimenre county Nyamira usubati Jerusha mumanyi uyosingerera sokobolia boigo cyene kerigwe oboene bwabo ukwana asomoyega bugusira magacho imeya mangase county Nyamira abarai abo nigo boigo bakwanera abo mubumugusi egati abali abaikirana boigo ngamo no museneta bwe county ya Kisii umuske Richard Mumaima Onyonka bunatoko manyigwa n'umurikito Daniel Ontiri
Hago kwana asomurubeliyo muske Jerusha mumanyi gochinga kicho hago keire getambukiro kyogosira cyamate cy'abasai abasiriye magimabo nabona njiganetie goikwange nakoene keligwa oboene bwabo.
Serikali sasa imesema itakompensate wale ambao walikufa. Kitu kingine tunataka ni haki yao, tuchue yule ambaye alifanya kile kitendo, kwa sababu yule muwaji na yeye apatikane, na yeye apate haki hiyo ile yenye litagete era atware ikera to kutwarense abantu bataka ko bapucha omuntu minyakoko regento eroma na kwebisa
ukwana somoiga bugosira magacho hasi parish ya Kerongo yegotoka manga imeye bunge ya Kitutu Masaba ase county ya Nyamira uyo aliganetwe n'umuske Clive Ogura boigoirete libagali nene haso kwaligania abara ya baiga Jerusha nigo boigo hakwandra igoro yoborai wabangina
yeye omukungu oyongoro ku Jerusha mumanyi otebirina kakitigana nzenda arwe kyerokereje komora Onyonka muno lyatara ngo babetoreri bare rogora aba omukungu elinde Onyonka na mutabi umete tinkonyora Onyonka omukungu mura bukikora buya Onyonka naye koraiga elinde ekyorokerekeria kegera nenti tosugumana torete ebintu bibwenerega aseitu mwere gwanjabo bona ntena tebanga nekero kyobugaba nankoriya muno mukungu ayafika out anya abande baroto kuminyokania tikabaje nancha ya muredi for that war weba gurubu nero rabe nga nero green lakini mbogende omapei omukungu akorire byasa very well nancheza kwa I will not let you down. I am ready, I will work, and I will be there for you, my good people.
Asense mwende Onyonka nigamo cha serikali asomurubeliyo bogosira cyamate cy'abasae oteba tali omoskeruto obwenrete kwebekera nirenga cyamate cyo kibwenrete kwegwa.
The idea in itself, I thank the president. You've done very well, sir. But that is not the way you do it. Give us the names of all our children who were killed. Then tell us who killed them. Let us have restitutive justice by making sure that the people who killed them are taken to court and prosecuted. Then once you give me those names, now let us sit in parliament and discuss and negotiate with you how much these families are going to be compensated.
Oteba boigobuna omokyobo bokobwatisia omoske Fred Matiang'i asetaro yokoligia koraense ya Kenya ekirenga babwate nekemo natali okobagana abakenya engana boiga barai bande babwatisia boigo bakwanirigoro yobomo bomugusi
na maene ono tubwate akaeri na tutokoni ichiyo kaeri aka otobuka rusie binera ngora na roga asire kumanya kwa
miaka eria era 2022 Raila Amolo Odinga was not in government. He never looked for anything in this government, but today he's the one who is very close to President William Samoei Ruto because of one thing. Abantu bakurumata bonse baramega ya itaribo. We also need to identify one son of the soil. We support him 100%. Onye togosira osira monere. Onye tokonyora to baraki. Onyora monere. And that is the direction na njira go take. It's a bold one. Lakini abondo chenga abantu baminto mbanchira netenga, that is the way we need to go.
Ndebi mamu minto radio ntokoro na jete boye agatorosire ndagira tukaria ande ni maita sare mumaitia sare lakini umuntu oyo mote baiga maite wono ndogoro tibarari kunya kuturetera bare bintu tokonyoranga no emboro oretere kintu kia ruto tori lakini ndo mugine toho tebiga igwete kunya kwa sumorore tugwikaririo mwerio ucharuke oye ndo pe matiangi toba sabo twaria okonyora murido okore okwirire.
My senator, I only have one word for you. You have God's favor. Na favor go say ngakitote ba favor bone ogo ancherwa kuria Nyasaye abekire azore ya beire Carolina na kwa beire nu ogo tebia bandonga soarari temburango korereki abantu bakera bangeta basobwa to kiabede
nkurubathirike taseni kiaga tembe kurega se county yenye mira ilitere nenguruko Daniel Untiri